Welcome to It's a JAAAAG. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to replace the boot on the ball joint. Now the reason why I want to do this is basically because I've changed the wheel bearing, and when you use a pickle fork on one of these, if you're not uber careful, they can split. Now one thing I noticed about the ball joint is not much grease in there either, which is a bit of a cheat really. So what you want to do is get your appropriate boot, put some grease in. Now I have cheated because I've already done this. It was a little bit of a struggle, but I found out how you can do it because the new boot is extremely tight. But I will demonstrate how you can do this. So let's put a bit more grease in there. Okay, that's enough grease, I think. Let's just smear it out a bit into there. Now I'm replacing the boot because the ball joint is still good. I don't really want to spend unnecessary money. So it is a money saving tip as well. I mean, these boots you can get off eBay or Amazon for about £4, so. Okay, so as long as my hands don't slip, I can do this pretty easy. Start it off, push it all the way down. See, it doesn't help my hands slipping, that's why you have to push it. Okay, you have to keep it there now, at the bottom. And carefully, there we go. Make sure you don't go through the boot itself. Just carefully pick it out. Oh. You see, it's a bit of a nightmare. Right. Try again, that's all the way to the bottom now. Oh, we're nearly there now. I stayed silent because I was concentrating. Just make sure it doesn't prong back up, otherwise you'll be starting again. Hey, there we go. Woo. And there we have it. A brand new boot on your working ball joint. And what you do is you also get some zip ties that you can just tie around there. Get your zip tie around and done. I think that's for the yeah, that's the one for that pair. You get 2 lengths, so that'll be for that one. Alright, a very quick one, YouTube short almost. Hopefully that helps someone out and saves someone some money. Cheers, bye.